former warship used to house prisoners in the 18th century was called? A. Jails, B. Galleys, C. Hulks, D. Lavons. Answer C. Hulks. Public humiliation or public exhibition also means A. Public execution, B. Social degradation, C. Banishment, D. Public trial. Answer B. Social degradation. During the 16th up to the 18th century, a criminal may be sent away from a place carried out by prohibition to coming against a specified territory. This is an ancient form of punishment called A. Exile, B. Banishment, C. Transportation, D. Public trial. Answer B. Banishment. The theory in penal science which maintains that punishment gives lessons to the offender and would be criminal is called A. Deterrence, B. Incapacitation, C. Reformation, D. Public safety. Answer A. Deterrence. One of the following represents the earliest codification of the Roman law, which was incorporated into the Justinian Code. A. 12 Tables, B. Burgundian Code, C. Hammurabic Code, D. Code of Draco. Answer A. 12 Tables. The generic term that includes all government agencies, facilities, programs, procedures, personnel, and techniques concerned with the investigation, intake, custody, confinement, supervision, or treatment of alleged offenders refers to A. Correction, B. Penology, C. Criminal justice, D. The base pillar. Answer A. Correction. The science that deals with the study, comparison, and identification of weapons alleged to have been used in the commission of a crime referred to A. Ballista, B. Ballistica, C. Forensic, D. Forensic ballistics. Answer D. Forensic ballistics. Those that are left behind by the criminal perpetrator in the scene of the crime, which has significance in criminal investigations, are called A. Weapons, B. Criminal evidence, C. Instrumentation, D. Crime fruits. Answer B. Criminal evidence. The study of physical evidence such as blood, blood stains, fingerprints, tool marks, etc. through a laboratory work refers to A. Criminalistics, B. Investigation, C. Interrogation, D. Police science. Answer A. Criminalistics. One of the following is a vital investigative tool that has helped in the reconstruction of crime and the identity of suspects as well as victims because it is a factual and accurate record of the crime. A. Police works, B. Photography, C. Crime scene investigation. D. Police science. Answer B. Photography.